Hello my friends, and welcome back to the rabbit hole, and welcome to, oh my goodness, such an exciting video today. This is a video where, I kid you not, I had to cut out some of my squeals of excitement. Don't worry, your ears are safe on this channel. Today's video is both a giveaway and also an unboxing. Oh wait, is it in the title? It's in the title, isn't it? You already know. Alright, let's see if I can figure out how to fit this into the screen. The Stylevana Advent Calendar. This was so kindly gifted by Stylevana early, so I've been able to start trying out these products and share with you my thoughts. And let me just give you a spoiler for today's video. In the past, I have said that Stylevana does such a good job of curating their little kits, their sets, and they've done it again with their advent calendar. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? If not, don't worry. We're gonna go through everything in this calendar in today's video. In fact, let me start with telling you the game plan. First, a couple of details about what's going on. So yes, this is Stylevana's advent calendar. It is a special limited edition available on the Stylevana website on October 24th. The final cost is $209.99. The value of products is $399.34, so over a 47% off discount. And I'm gonna reiterate one more time before I show you the contents. I really can't believe how well this is curated. I've looked at quite a few advent calendars so far this year, the spoilers that we've had, the ones that are already available. And I feel like what Stylevana has done so well with this box is choose the perfect variety of products. It is everything, and it's not just variety from brands you've never heard of. This is brands you've been wanting to try. There were so many products in this box that I was very genuinely shrieking in excitement because I've been dying to try the specific products that they included. And yes, there's a giveaway just for you, my subscribers. Stay to the end of the video to find out how to enter and win $400 worth of incredible Korean skincare and makeup products. But we're going to save that for the end. I want to show you the contents first. Since we have somehow more limited space here, just because of how gigantic this is, we're going to go back to the table unboxing method, and I'm going to show you the first time I opened this box. And then look in the corner of the screen for some swatches, look in the corner of the screen for me wearing certain products. Of course, I'm wearing some of the products from this advent calendar today. Do I even need to tell you all this anymore? You know me, of course I am. Let's get into the great reveal right about now. Let's go ahead and start with box number 1 up here. Box number 1 contains the Pure Derm Vegan Under Eye Mask Collagen, and this does contain soluble collagen. Just so you all know, collagen sometimes gets a bad rap because it can't be absorbed into the skin. It's too large of a molecule, but it's that exact principle that is why it is such a great moisturizing ingredient. It actually does protect your skin, so it gets a bad rap. This is something I'm excited to try. How many are in here? Oh, there's 30 sheets in here. Box number 2 right here is a little bit heavier. Oh, this is the AHA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle Cream from Some By Me. I've actually had a few people ask me to review this particular product, so this is very exciting. Box number 3 right here. Oh, this one looks exciting. What do we have here? Bonjour Mugwort Cream Calming Mask. This looks very exciting. Mugwort extract, one of my favorite ingredients, great for anti-inflammatory purposes. No animal experimentation. Looks like this is it a vegan product? It does look to be. I have seen this brand in passing, but I haven't actually tried anything from them, so that will be quite nice to try. And it is a clay-based mask, by the way. We have box number 4 over here. Let's see what we have. Oh my goodness. This is going to be Peslo. Oh yes, this is the Panth recipe, panthenol and ceramide, all skin types. This has been highly recommended by quite a few of y'all. So let's just go ahead and take a look at this one. I love that this brand makes it real clear what all of their ingredients are right there. It is a tube product here with panthenol and ceramide, so this will probably be a very healing and restorative product. We have a seal on it as well. Korean products do tend to come with a seal, so let's see what that texture is like. looks like it's a little bit kind of on the lightweight side. Maybe more of a medium weight moisturizer. It does have a pine smell. The SPF that I tried from this company had a what was it? A rosemary smell, I believe. So it's not a completely fragrance-free brand, but I have really enjoyed their sunscreen. I'll actually link you that video if you're interested in it. But yeah, this is super exciting. Let's do box number 5. Oh, this is bubble wrapped. What do we have in here? Very tightly bubble wrapped, which is excellent. It's a great way to protect products, is to individually bubble wrap them. Ooh, what is this? Champagne Party palette. I just said that word really strangely. Afternoon tea, I meme. Oh, let's get into this box. Oh my goodness, it's a face palette. I'm trying to peel off this label right now. Okay, now we can finally get into it. Wow, that looks gorgeous. Box number 6. We are on... I got too enthusiastic. Oh my goodness, yes, I am so excited. Romand Juicy Lasting Tint. I've wanted to try more of these. Oh goodness. Okay, so let's go ahead and crack into this and see what color we have here. So it says, I think it might be right here, 06, oh, Fig. It's shade Fig. It does have a smell to it, but it's a nice smell. Oh, that's exciting. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, next up is box number 7. This is, oh, I am so happy to get these. I deal with acne, so I need stuff like this. This is from VT Cosmetics, the Cicatricare Spot Patch. I believe there's actually a lot in the VT Cosmetics brand's patches. Let's see. Oh, wow, fantastic. Oh, yes, I'm so grateful right now. We are on box number 8, which is getting a little bit stuck. That's okay. Oh my gosh, I love this product. This is the McQueen New York Waterproof Pen Eyeliner. This is so good. Box number 9 is one of my absolute favorite product discoveries from this set. This is the Cosrx Deep in a Barrier Cream. By the time I have this video up, you will have already seen my Cosrx trial. Oh my goodness, I fell so madly in love with this product. It is wonderful, and not enough people know about Cosrx, so I'm so happy that they've included the best Cosrx product, one of the best Cosrx products in this box. Oh, fantastic. Number 10, oh my goodness, I know this brand. All right, so Make Prim UV Defense Me Calming Sun Cream. I really like this product. I like Make Prim. This was a smart choice for this box. I think this is overall a lower potential for irritation with this particular sunscreen. It doesn't bother me at all, and I do tend to be sensitive to certain sunscreens out there. Ooh, box 11 is a big one. Ooh, wow, what is this? Skin 1004. I think I had a few of you recommend this brand for me. This is a heavy product. Daily Care Ampoule, Madagascar Ampoule. Oh, 3.38 fluid ounces. Let's open this one. Here we go, y'all. The gift from the untouched nature from Madagascar. I feel like this is going to be a really beautiful product. Am I right? My gosh, that is gorgeous. Beautiful glass pack. That is gorgeous. Box 12. Here we go. Oh, yes! Sorry, I have been wanting to try this. The Cosrx Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask. I currently have the Cosrx, what is it? Is it the Honey Overnight Mask? No, Propolis, hello. And I really love that one, so I'm super excited to try this one. Rice is a great ingredient for incorporating some hydration into your routine, and we do have the ingredients here. See, once again, it looks like a very non-irritating formula. Oh yes, I'm so happy to get to try this. Box 13. Box 13. Where? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm telling y'all, this finding the boxes is quite fun. Ooh, we get a lot on the 13th day. My True Love Sent to Me. Frutia. Shea Butter Hand Cream. Well, that's a really nice touch to this box. It really is. I don't think you necessarily need to have, 24 days of the same skincare products. That's a nice touch. What's in this? Okay, Blueberry Hydrating Toner, Blueberry Hydrating Serum, Green Grape Pore Control Cream, and Pomegranate Nutra Moisturizing Cream. This is a cute little day. This is a fun one. From Frutia, I actually have only tried their lip products. Let's smell this. I'm going to smell this hand cream. Once again, a seal. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh, yes, let's actually... let's test it out right now on these hands. Ooh, it's nice and thick, y'all. That's quite a nice hand cream. Fruity is such an underrated brand. I think it's just because they have pretty strong scents. But that's exactly what I love so much in the lip cream, and I'm really liking that hand cream. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm freaking out about these because this is such a nice selection. Oh, goodness. The Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water. I love this product so much. Should I open this, or should I go grab my old one so I can maybe put this in a giveaway? Let me grab my old one. I grabbed mine just to show you. I adore this product so much. I love this brand. You all know. You know I love this brand. Such a great addition. Box number 15. All right, let's see what we have in here. Ooh, hydrogel eye patches. Hey, I tried some from this brand recently. Is it Petite Fay? I'm American. We don't use the little symbols above letters. So whenever we encounter them, we're just kind of stumped at how to proceed. What? You know it's true. Eye patch, 60 pieces. Let's see. Do I jump at the opportunity to make a Saints reference with this one? Do I? You know what, y'all? I'm going to give the black and gold eye patches a score of 28-3. Number 16. Oh, it's another one that's bubble wrapped. I get really excited about the bubble wrapped ones because I feel like it's probably makeup, and I do love makeup, y'all. I'm sorry. I just squeaked. Oh my goodness, that looks so pretty. Oh, it even comes with a little brush. How cute is that? Wow, that looks beautiful. I like that this color scheme could really appeal to anyone. It's neutral enough, but it's also got enough shine to it. Oh, this looks gorgeous. Box number 17, here we go. Oh, what is this? It looks cute. Peach Whipping Tone-Up Cream. Now, I've learned to be afraid of the words tone-up cream, but let's at least try it. We'll try it. How many of you remember my learning experience with what that can mean? Let's see, though. We'll give it a chance. Oh, honestly, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. It's definitely making me look a little, well, yeah. That's okay. We don't have to love absolutely everything in the box. Oh my gosh, yes. So, I have been wanting to try this one for so long. The Eccentree Green Tea Fresh Toner. So many people have recommended this. Look at that. Look at that. Do you think it'll be a dupe for the Amore Pacific? Oh, goodness. I am so excited about trying this. Box number 19. Don't fall out. Okay. Oh, excellent. I love this one. The Iunic Tea Tree Relief Serum in the full size, 1.7 fluid ounces. These are huge products. All right. That's look at that holographic seal on there. I'm so happy to have this. I actually love this product. It's not tea tree oil, it's tea tree extract, and I do try to emphasize the difference there. There really is a difference between an essential oil, which is very concentrated, and the extract, which gives you, a less irritating form of those benefits. A less potentially irritating form. All right, box 20. Oh, box 20 is another big one. It's another big one. I get excited about these. What do we have here? Farm Stay Lemon Intensive Moisture Foot Cream. Oh my goodness, I love foot cream. I am loving how much variety there is in this. Okay, so this is a foot cream consisting of lemon fruit extract, which helps heal, relieve, and repair dry, cracked feet. Let's smell it. I want to smell it. Ooh, it smells fantastic. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I like lemon smell. I just don't love it in, oh, here, let me show you what I took out. Real thick. Oh, that smells so good. Yeah, I don't use lemon products on my face very often at all, but not gonna lie, I do love them in hand and foot creams. I almost said feet creams. How do you pluralize foot cream? Is it feet creams? It kind of is, because you have 2 feet. Let's move on. We don't have to get caught up on the plural form of foot cream. Okay, box 21. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut out some of the squeals of delight I keep doing, because I don't mean to do that. I just genuinely do get excited about opening stuff like this. Oh, I love the Hamish All Clean Balm. Did you all see my cleansing balms ranking? Oh, yes. Love it. Oh, you all were right. I only had the travel size of this, and some people commented that the full size comes with the lid scoop system. Number 22. Oh, See? All but I think maybe 1 or 2 days I've squealed, right? See, and that's the thing, I cannot help it. I cannot help but give away what I'm interested in. Okay, I've been curious about 3CE. I own a few products from this company, but they are a little bit more expensive. The Velvet Lip Tint in Going Right. Yeah, with all of these, I'm going to have some videos up to show you what they look like on. We're going to take some extra time on this video because this is a fantastic box that I will have hours and days of fun with. Okay, moving on. Box 23. This is a big one too. What do we have in here? Be Plain Greenful pH Balanced Cleansing Foam. Let's see, it has mung bean in it. I don't know, typically I am cautious with cleansing foams, but I will definitely try it. Looks nice. Are you all ready? Are you ready for the last day? I don't know if I am. I don't know if I'm ready. Oh, I know what this is. I didn't squeal too much that time. I did not squeal too much. The Purito Centella Green Level Eye Cream. Oh, fantastic. I think this is the one you all recommended. Possibly. I think so. We get an eye cream in here on the last day after we had this past month's What's New in Skincare being so focused on eye cream. Oh, I'm so excited to get to try this. Y'all, I have such an idea. Tell me what you think of this. I know some people don't like my current background, but what if we took out the boxes and just made a bunch of shelves with skincare products? They'd fit in that. Oh my gosh, should we do that? Also, I have to tell you all, I'm sitting here in this giant sweater because I wanted to look the holiday spirit. I think I'm boiling. I have all of these warm outfits, but we moved to Florida. It's so hot. It's so hot, y'all. The giveaway details, as promised, one of you will win your own entire advent calendar. And all you have to do to enter is make sure you are a subscriber of this channel, as this is for my subscribers. Give this video a like and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what products you've had your eye on the Stylevana website, and also make sure you leave a way for me to contact you. That can be your Instagram or Twitter handle, or you can just let me know to reply to your comment if you are the winner, and then you can email me. I also do have a few more rules listed in the description box below, so do make sure to check those. This is an international giveaway, but please know, because of everything going on in the world, Stylevana is not able to ship to every country. And that is it for today's video. If you do want to purchase your own advent calendar, I would say do it sooner than later. These are the type of products that do sell out. You can also use my affiliate code to get 15% off this advent calendar, which, let's do the math. I want to see what that makes it. I love math. Any opportunity to do some math. $178.49. That is such a steal for $400 worth of incredible products. Thank you so much to Stylevana for sending this over. This was such an incredible advent calendar. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to give it a like, and I will see you all next time.